All right, sweet. So this week I want to go over kind of what I do on like a regular basis. So pretty much my what's the word I'm looking for? My schedule. There we go, of what I do. So my project, like I said before, is an investigation into the water use rates of like drought resistance for turfgrass under certain shade conditions. And so right here, these three things are my tools, or I guess my sensors and readers that I use throughout the week. This is called a PR2, and what it does is it reads soil moisture content, but it only goes from this end of this little plastic cap down. And so I use another tool, which is this one right here. It's called a Pogo, and it reads like that top soil, that top 4 inches that this doesn't get. So those give me the same readings in the end, and it's a % water moisture content. This right here, every 2 weeks or bi-weekly, I have to do a fertilizer treatment. And like I said before, it's just a 25-0-10 for NPK. Mainly do it for the nitrogen. I have a couple dead spots. You can't see it from here. I guess you kind of can about right there. There's like a dead. It's not completely dead, but I'm trying to revive it. And then also this week we were able to go and tour a couple different cool little urban gardens or urban farms. And I took a picture of the Dodger Stadium because I thought that was not necessarily like the coolest place, but it was like most exciting to go see, being able to be on the field. I've watched a couple home games there, so it's really fun. And then my last tool that I use is the Rapid Scan, and what that does is it gives me my NDVI readings, which is normalized difference vegetation index. Basically, it's telling me how green and how healthy my grasses are. It'll give me like a reading like 0.7. That's typically what I averagely get, which is pretty good. I have a couple ones that'll give me 0.4s, 0.5, but those are the plots that aren't doing too hot, and I'm trying to get them out of like a disease, trying to bring them back to life. Trying to think what else I do. I mow every week. I didn't take a picture of the mower like I planned to, kind of forgot. I mow at 2 inches to basically look pretty, and I forgot to take a picture, put it on here, of my light box. And what the light box is basically a little box. It's metal on the outside, and the inside it's painted matte black or almost absolute black, so that if there's no light in there, you can't see anything. And then we have 2 bulbs in there that give it like a even light. Now I just take pictures of my grass so I can see what it looks like. I compare it throughout the weeks. It's really handy right now because I'm able to see a more like up close difference between when I first started fertilizing to now, where I'm getting a little more healthy grass. So that's pretty much my week. I take data every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Wednesday I only do like my visual stuff, so my in-depth grading, NDVI, and the Rapid Scan, which is my NDVI. And then Tuesday, Thursday I do the water moisture content, typically in the morning. Try to get done before it gets too hot. And is there any questions? Okay.